Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is prayer for healing. Unit 7, Section 3 is a poem on page number 168. Introduction. The world has now woken up to the fact the people of the world they know about this fact, they realize about this fact that we have done a lot of damage to our environment by pollution, by having new vehicles which is creating a lot of pollution. We are actually damaging our environment by making the plastics. We are throwing the plastic on the earth, in the waters. We are polluting our environment, and so on and so forth. There are lots and lots of things are there in the list, and in the process to ourselves, obviously this is a damage to our cells as well. Read the following poem which expresses a hope for the future. Now this poem is actually expressing some hope for the future. Okay? Difficult vocabulary are not many. It's a very easy poem. Diverse. It's an adjective showing a great deal of variety, very different. Diverse means very different with a variety, in a different variety. We need to recognize that we live in a culturally diverse society. Means if we just look at our society, culturally we are having a lot of different people, a lot of different cultures in it. There is a diverse range of opinion on the issue. This means on this issue, on this problem, people are having different kind of opinion. India is quite diverse, both politically and religiously. Politically and religiously, India is having variety in it. It's very different. Second word is renewal. That's a noun. Act of giving new life and freshness. Renewal. New means making something new. Re means again. The contracts came up for renewal. Spring is the time of renewal. Spring is the time when some things are becoming again new. Mark's contract. Contract is a document which we sign actually every year. In many jobs, contracts are really important. Contracts are the basis of the job. So it's a document where you sign. So Mark's contract come up for renewal at the end of this year. Stanza 1. We join with the earth and with each other. We are actually joining with our land as well as with each other. Why? To bring life to the land so that we can bring life back to the land, to earth. To restore the waters because the water pollution is too much. So we are going to save our waters. And to refresh the air. Even air pollution is too much. So we are going to try to refresh it. We are going to stop the pollution. We are joining with each other. We are telling each other. We are making people aware what is dangerous, what is not good, what is good. Stanza 2. We join hands with the earth and with each other. Why? To renew the forest. We are planting new trees. We are planting new plants to make the forest new again. To care for the plants which are already there, we want to take care of them. And to protect the creatures, means the things that are there, animals and birds and insects and reptiles which are already there. We are going to protect them. We are not going to cut the trees, their home. We are going to take care of the creatures, animals and plants, both. Stanza 3. We join with the earth and with each other. Why? To celebrate the seas, because we are having seas, and that's very, very good. That's very important. Okay, so we are going to enjoy the seas, to rejoice the sunlight. We are having sunlight, it's something that we should enjoy. To sing the song of the stars that blink on us from the sky above, we are going to sing the same song, and we are going to enjoy the night also. Because if the pollution is there, then we cannot have anything, we cannot enjoy anything. Just imagine the sea view sea, you must have seen. It was have filled with litters and debris and things. Okay, wrappers and plastics and bottles. Really, you like to go to that sea? No, because it was dirty, right? In the same way, if it's having a lot of pollution, air pollution, can you enjoy the sunlight? No. Can you see the stars at night? No. So when we can, then we must enjoy. Stanza 4. We join with the earth and with each other. Why? To recreate the human community. Human community is already created, but we are making it new. We are creating it again. Why? Because we want to promote justice and peace. We don't want to have wars. We don't want to have injustice. Because to remember our children, because we want to keep remembering our children that we have to leave a good earth without any problems. We have to leave a very better place for our children when we go from this from this earth. Okay, when we quit from our lives, we need to leave a very good place for our children so that they can enjoy. Stanza 5. We join with the earth and with each other. Why? We join together as many and diverse expressions. We are actually joining with as many as we can, and all of them are from different expressions, different people. If different expressions means different culture, different areas, different countries, just for having one loving mystery. And that loving mystery is we want to have the healing of the earth and obviously the renewal of our life. This means we want to have our lives recreated in a proper way without any problems. Okay, we want to heal the earth and take care of it in the best possible way. Now, poem is done. The question answers are there. Okay, learn to appreciate the poem. Each stanza of this poem is the description of what we need to do in order to achieve the goal, okay, of making the planet a better place to live in. We are having our planet, but this planet we need to, like make it a better place so that people can live in it. Okay, given below are the themes of each stanzas. These are the themes of each stanza. Write the numbers of a stanza that expresses this theme. We need to go with this theme of the stanza. Okay, read the stanza and then relate it with the words. In which stanza we have talked about developing an attitude of appreciation. Appreciation means liking. Yes, it was actually stanza number 3, where we are talking about we join with the earth and with each other to celebrate the seas, to rejoice the sunlight, to sing the song of the stars. Okay, next is in which one we are talking about looking after the flora and fauna. Flora are the plants and fauna are the animals. Okay, Yes, stanza number 2, in which we are joining hands with the earth and with each other to renew the forest, to care for the plants, to protect the creatures. Okay, now in which one we are talking about protecting the elements of the earth? Elements of the earth means land, waters, air. Yes, it's number 1. To bring life to the land, to restore the waters, to refresh the air. Okay. Next, in which one we are talking about living in harmony and togetherness? Peace, justice, living together. Yes, it's actually stanza number 4 and some part of stanza number 5 also. We are talking about living in harmony and togetherness in stanza number 4 and 5. What do you need to do? You need to copy this, write down stanza number in front of, at the end of the lines where you have written these 4 things. Okay? Learn to appreciate the poem. Question number 2. The poet uses the word healing and renew. Okay? To heal is to make normal and healthy once again, or to restore something to its former state. Former state means previous state after it has been damaged. Okay, suppose something is being damaged. Before it, how it looked like, that was its former state. Okay, and making it again normal or healthy once again is to heal. To renew means it's to make something grow once again after it had been destroyed or lost. Something grow once again. Okay, making it new. First one was the heal means making it normal. Okay, now both words imply that damage has been done earlier. Damage was there. You need to describe the damage that man had done to the land, air, plants, etc., that are mentioned in the first 2 stanzas. Okay, the very first thing is land. What we have done, what man has done, we have exploited its resources. Whatever resources were there, we have misused them. MISUSED, misused them. How we have damaged air and water? By polluting them. We have polluted them. Forests and their plants, we have destroyed them. We have cut them. Animals, we have caused their numbers to go down. We have killed them. We have killed them. Okay, so you are going to make number 1, write number 1 land, and after that what man has done, then give heading, small heading of air and water, and then give heading of forest and plants, and then give heading of animals, and write what man has done. Okay, how man has damaged it. Question number 3, stanza 4, describe the attitude we need to develop towards our fellow human beings. Okay, this is what kind of attitude we should have towards our other people of this land. Discuss the injustices that we are doing to one another. First, we need to discuss what we have done to each other, how we have misused people. Yes, we take advantage of others. Some people are not allowed to speak in some societies. For example, poor. For example, children. For example, women. Okay, we have not allowed people to come in front. We have not allowed people we have not allowed people to speak about their rights. Okay, we have not given opportunities to certain people. Okay, question number 4. What do you think the poet means by one loving mystery? What do you mean by one loving mystery? Mention some of the things about nature and life that puzzles us and fill us with wonder. Yes, obviously God is Allah and He is one and He has created all of it, everything with love, right? And definitely we are having our nature having so many varieties, different varieties of life. So you need to find out things about it and talk about them. Can you talk about at least one thing that is very different for us, that we become surprised? How in the morning we get the dewdrops on the leaves, how we can see the rainbow created at the dawn time or the dusk time. How can we see the chameleon colors change, or the different kind of plants are having different shapes? Okay, so we in this answer you need to write at least about one thing that is different for you, that makes you surprised. Okay, obviously Allah has made everything, but still it makes you surprised that how this is done. 4 examples I have given, but write at least in 2 to 3 sentences anything that makes you surprised. Okay,